You probably haven't heard the word biodiversity before. Well, today, I will be telling you all about biodiversity and why is it important. First of all, what does biodiversity mean? Biodiversity refers to the incredible variety of life on Earth. It includes all living things, such as sea life, insects, plants, and we humans too. There are 3 different diversities in biodiversity: genetic diversity, species diversity, and ecosystem diversity. Genetic diversity is the variety of DNA traits within a single species. Now, why is genetic diversity important? For example, during the Irish potato famine, the farmers grew only one identical genetic variety of potato, making it easy for the fungus to wipe out the entire country's crop, causing mass starvation. Species diversity is just the number of different types of living things in one place. Think of it like a zoo. If a zoo has lions, tigers, bears, and monkeys, it has high species diversity. If a zoo only has 100 penguins and nothing else, it has low species diversity. Ecosystem diversity is the variety of different habitats, communities, and landscapes on Earth. For example, like deserts, rainforests, oceans, and lakes. When it comes to saving biodiversity, we rely on 2 major strategies: saving species right where they live, and saving them in controlled environments. While they sound like opposites, they are actually 2 sides of the same coin. One side of the coin is in situ conservation. In situ conservation, we are protecting wildlife right in their natural home. Instead of moving them to a zoo, we protect their entire ecosystem, like a national park, so they can live, hunt, and evolve exactly the way nature intended. The other side of the coin is ex-situ. While in situ we are protecting wildlife in their natural habitat, ex-situ conservation is the exact opposite. It's protecting wildlife outside of their natural home. When a habitat becomes too dangerous, we step in and move the species to safe, controlled environments like zoos, botanical gardens, or seed banks to keep them from going extinct. But wait, biodiversity is in danger, and here's why. 73% decline. Global wildlife populations have plummeted by an average of 73% over the last 50 years. 1 million at risk. Roughly 1 million animal and plant species are currently threatened with extinction. All this is impacting biodiversity, and most of it is because of us. For example, deforestation, urban development, overfishing, climate change, plastic pollution, and much more. But the main question is, why is biodiversity important to us? And what can we do to help protect our Earth? The clean air we breathe is because of biodiversity. More than half of our medicines are because of biodiversity. The lush forests and oceans control our climate change and help us in many more ways. So what can we do to help protect biodiversity? Well, we can do lots. For starters, we can make sustainable choices like reducing on plastic. We can protect local nature by giving them food or a safe place to rest. We can also spread the word and let others know about biodiversity. And lastly, we can also work with organizations like Red Crescent who have opportunities for all ages. At the end of the day, protecting biodiversity isn't just about saving a single animal or plant. It's about keeping our planet's entire life support system running and together. We win the race against extinction. Thanks for watching, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below.